Today we have Talehia. She is our special guest on our video today. About a week ago, Ron and I went to Duluth Trading and got this book. There are 50 recipes with tater tots. We had to buy it. We even took it to breakfast with us and we're looking through it, and even the waitress was like, that is so cool. So the one we're gonna make today, cheeseburger tot sliders.
Yummy.
It's not the coolest thing ever.
They're so cute.
And I think really I'm just gonna do it like Pinterest, where I saw the picture, so now I know how to make them, pretty much-ish. And we're gonna use the air fryer. Talehia, you have an air fryer. Tell me what you make in your air fryer.
I love my air fryer, so it's usually like French fries, chicken nuggets. I've just made like I'm such a bachelorette. Like frozen burritos.
Really?
Yeah, I made frozen burritos in there, and it gives it that good like crispy outside that you don't get from the microwave.
I love that.
It's like a fine line though of finding is it crunchy and cold on the inside, like. But it works out once you find like the time.
Does yours have a temperature gauge?
Yes, it does. Mine's like this, but it's just bigger.
Oh,
it's
okay.
Like a family size one.
Wow.
I don't know what my mom thought I was going to be cooking in.
I got this one because I love the color.
Oh yeah.
That was really the whole
I can imagine that happening in the
store. Yeah. I have to have it. So for our video today, we're going to be having adult Otter Pops, and these are vodka cocktails that you get at Costco, and I've used some of them.
A few.
There are some in the freezer, but I got some out, and we're just gonna, as we're going, just gonna eat them like Otter Pops. So I think what we're gonna do, I have pre-formed the meatballs. I just did like a pound of hamburger, kind of winging it. We're gonna cook the meatballs in the air fryer, and then we're gonna do the tater tots. I did buy plain wrap tater tots, as you see, signature select, and one tater tot goes on the top and one on the bottom. And I have.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Honey, shut the door. We're videoing.
Sure. Here's a Pandora.
We have fancy toothpicks to poke through and little baby gherkins. So
Yes.
there we go. So
We're also gonna cut little cute cheese slices in the
yes.
ketchup and mustard on these.
So I'm going to put these in here. How long do you think little meatballs should go?
Well, excellent question.
Okay, so we're nearly done with our first Otter Pop, and the timer is done. Well, just about. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so they're cooking.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna flip them. They're teeny tiny burgers, also known as meatballs. Using the air fryer is, you fit so many in.
Unless you have a family size.
Right, I don't have a family. You know what, that's where I went wrong. We started with how many minutes? 8. And I'm adding 5.
Yep.
So that makes 13 minutes. I should be writing this down. It doesn't say anywhere like one Otter Pop is equivalent to like a shot.
Oh, well, it does say 8% alcohol.
8%, I don't ever know what that means. Okay, so we do have to cut the gherkins.
Oh yeah, in half. And
We got the cheese.
We'll eat several of these as we
Probably.
cut them.
So we got some cheese that we're going to cut into little squares so that we can make the little tater tots. We're going to plate out and make them all fancy. We have to cook all the meat, all the tater tots, and eat some more Otter Pops. So we'll check in a minute. Can you see?
This did good.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oops. So
Meatball hamburger videos are really
I know. There aren't many. There are now. Tune in.
You heard it here first.
That's right. So those are awfully cute.
They are.
And we're gonna try some. Okay, so they're all done. They're cute, but
Like your meatballs more.
this, yeah, smaller meatballs because that's the one thing you can control here.
And although the tater tots were crispy for a, I don't know, like a normal, how you would eat tater tots, maybe a little crispier for this
Ooh, perfect.
type of
Look
situation.
at that one.
Looks great.
Yeah. And then you put a little trace of. This is a one biter, so. Too much.
See?
Don't try this at home.
I like them though. I think we did a good job.
I think it's good. I don't know how really comfortably you could serve this to people. Unless we made those, like you said, smaller.
They're good. Very
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
It's fun and cute.
Mm-hmm.
Secret tots. Thank you, Talehia, for being our guest.
Thanks for having me.
Yay, that was fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
This is the best part.